Hello, my friend. I hope you are doing well in your life. Today, this is my third day to practice spoken English. And for my daily routine, I didn't prepare anything to speak. I speak whatever comes in my mind. Today, I want to tell you about my school life. I am very confident in my school. I was very confident in my school and very active. I am a bright student. When I was in 6th or 7th class, maybe, I speak in front of Koryu. I speak about Bhagat Singh in assembly. There many number of students are sitting there, and every teacher were present there at that time, and I didn't fear anything because I know about Bhagat Singh. I know story about Bhagat Singh and their struggles, what they faced between their independent time, and I speak up to 15 minutes about Bhagat Singh, and everyone were appreciated me in my school times. After 10th, after 10th, I changed my school, and I was take admission in Kendra Vidyalaya. Before Kendra Vidyalaya, I was studying in private school. After taking admission in Kendra Vidyalaya, there was a lockdown time. I studied online for 2 hours, and in this 2 year, sorry, I have studied in 2 hours during lockdown times. And these 2 years, I forget about my confidence. I lost my confidence, and I lost my study skills. I lost my ability to think fast and accurate, and I lost my confidence and speaking ability during lockdown times. And after lockdown, when I was in 12th class, I remembered the first day of my school. I came to the school, and then the old students of this school were bullying us. They make fun of me and my friends, and they think like they are supreme of the school, and we are new, so that they think that we are do nothing, we will do nothing. Then we ignored, and after that he continued to making fun of us and laughed on us. So I fought with him. During fought, I didn't touch I didn't touch him, or he also did not touch me. Only we fought only through mouth, and after fight, we will become friends. And during these times, I lost my confidence and speaking skills. After 12th, I I have I have good at study, so I got 82.5% in 12th class from commerce background, and I got 40 out of 40 in second term of my accountancy subject, and I got 20 I got 33 marks in first term and got 40 marks in second term and got 18 marks in internal. So I got 91 marks out of 100. During this marks, for these marks, the confidence was built in me that I will crack chartered accountancy. After my 12th, I prepared for chartered accountancy course, and I joined a bright commerce classes, the BCC Academy in Gurgaon, and he charged 36,000 for 3 months, 6,000 for 1 month, and he taught every subject. And I took admission in BCC, and after I took admission I realized that I made big mistake in my life, because they just robbed us in the name of education. I paid fees 36,000 in 1 month, and after 15 days I realized the classes were not going on, classes were cancelled, and and this is not provide satisfaction for me. So I decided to do self study. So I left BCC after 3 to 4 months. After taking 3 to 4 months, I left bright commerce classes. Then I do it myself. When the exam is approaching, and the fear in my heart were also appeared, and when I went to give exam, and I have no confidence, because I studied well, but I know where I stand. I already know that I will fail in this exam, and I was right. I failed. Then I didn't understand what I am doing now, what I do now. So I took rest. I left study for 2 years. For 2 years I left study. After 2 years I decided I do job now. I should do job now. Then I applied for a job and got job in Honda showroom as a sales executive. They will provide me they are providing me 15,000 for 1 month, and I joined, and as well as I took admission in Raz Academy to learn my proficiency in English and to enhance my spoken English, because I know that if I only know how to speak English, how to communicate in English, then it will very helpful for us. I will make enough money to my livelihood after learning spoken English. Thank you. 10 minutes is completed. I know I made lot of mistake while speaking, but this is my third day. Not today, not tomorrow. One day.